So the 21:9 aspect ratio display is the next step by Sony to hold the smartphones market. I guess this would be the first time when a company will commercialize this tall design. Otherwise, everyone is busy in experimenting the notch or holes. People who follow this channel have a very good idea of what Sony is planning for the Mobile World Congress. The company will launch Xperia XZ4 and XA3 with the same aspect ratio, but they'll definitely look different. The Xperia XZ4 sports a slim bezel design, while the XA3 has no chin and a freaking big forehead. Firstly, I appreciate Sony for this thing, as they've gone all the way down, making the chin so smaller, and then we have a giant forehead. Seriously, they want us to purchase a design like this in 2019? Because I have seen Mi Mix and this one looks like a tall inverted Xiaomi Mi Mix. I have no problem with this design, but it could be better if Sony has opted for a smaller forehead like the Note 9 or at least Mi A2. Right now, it reminds me of B Phone 3 and Xperia Z that makes no difference in the year 2019. Again, there are some positive aspects too. Firstly, it's a mid-range phone that comes with a Snapdragon 660 chipset, so you'll get a complete new design at this range. It depends upon you if you like it or not. Secondly, this display shows you what you actually want to see. Otherwise, a notch blocks that portion of your screen that do matters when you are watching full screen videos or maybe while playing games. The most important part of this design is that it gives you a very proper viewing experience. Thanks to the 21:9 aspect ratio display, Sony is finally getting into the market, and I'm excited for the Xperia XZ4 as it would be the best option out there if the things go right. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.